Now you're Brony English or you're Scottish.
Oh, okay. That's a Great Britain. Okay.
And I know you're DC, District Commissioner, and we're Santi Memoir.
Okay.
No to Jasso.
Santiachi.
Jasso, here, over Josuka. Okay. Oh, Nam Kwasu Kujaswa. And son of Bedru Jasso, no, for Joshua, who will be Kuswa, Bopobisi, or once a diabetes, or no friend DC Bungalow. No, not here.
Okay.
Now, on that Sabe or Hangina Shenase, Kumawu.
Okay.
Or you call any action, I say. In Tibet, Busmin, Nayama, Busmin, and Sempiano, Oba, a better say, we are a man of Koso. Ubekaya, a crana, and a cannon, you want an approach. I feel policy. No more Juma, no more yarn, says Sebi, Ubidi Boni, and Kaya Samu Kroma. Now he had no call him while no more than Udifa. Need not to prison. Dambi was say, not prison, as he honor. Okay. You to work with say DC by DC by near Satan near D. Say what the for and now what the be. We did be mania jaw, what the fine at Kukumasi Central Prison. It's in a human or in DC, say on never hanging so. Okay. Don't so Bahano, nature say honey chatwo. Kono say Brunica or Cotrek and also Cohen in Mumuswa, a honey chatwo. Okay. Into a hackround, call it Chihuahua, Bopois of Forest or Honor, she room honor. Omusi Diamond. Oh, okay. Dana that's over. If DC Bungalow. Into a bahan, Namasuan and Nabacon or Diacunan, if in a Bema Kwame from Kumabia or Himbio Kumubia and the dear demand Berima, and I'm such a Bakuja, Admitri, Jachema. And you know, deciding a demacumo and to a here Santimamudia or Himbia and Ho.
Out, Piassana Mecano. Memo watching? Emma Waha. Emma watch your baby bella me free at over 2 days TV. I 2 days TV. Send them watch your bomba subscribe. We are watching video na mama saying I should be. We are comment section watch the wardrobe but so. I share if you have some Ghana mama chief Francis so home. Ya him for ya him mamu and home and you didn't more. If we are in Cabo Muyan, I pass a tone. Your traditions, I pass a tone your mamre, and man of quetchy. No bisufina mama so abba. No, I him catch the 2 days TV. If I tell you, was a debiada, the bro. Do got to another subscribe. Send a bear the video to man when you be a share. Oh, not of one video they can hear ye, where you brunio, but was see at a 10 wagana. Or she acknowledge in your mouth, they may rest and take and yes, tells you say, where you gone any when my mamma any mamma near. Nanona, what church them walking can in some when you know every year. And I am you know be so more brooch at the basse. And another man, a coffee now a day ban and what thing. Because abrochire one more to the son of man ebiniho. Okwa abrochire ma abrochire schools no omo musua history okwa aya sante hene ehu history nkwa no musua omo musua wa hene foforo bia asante hene ansana asante kingdom ansana de beba aba eti there is no king, there is no king, there is king. It's your kingdom back up our Ghana and only a Santa kingdom. It's about abrochire wakra and one obia esua. E what some you know me and say be you know me no way and the discussion as idea foot to the man another man. But could also pronounce some pa. A church the model at 2 jaya ba a betuna basa and so young coma Cecilia.
I think you made mention that there are some Ghanaians or Motia Bruchia. They have the masses, they have the platforms. I know more platforms so that they are influencing this.
Yeah.
And so one thing I hope you.
That is it.
They're picking cry about uni ho. Yeah. So he has Antinio, Zawan, Hinio. Me and Americano. Since childhood, I've always known that Ashanti has a kingdom.
Yeah, and even Oba Abrochire Hanum na Ewe Kranake. Even if you go to their schools, those who are doing the history, they are studying about Ashanti kingdom,
yeah,
and they know it's a kingdom, and the person who is the leader of the kingdom is a king.
I mean, obviously, you have to be a king too.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. That's the thing because Ashanti is one of the few empires that are still recognized.
Yeah, and then and you know, a so like a kingdom. Almost centralized bibia. What you say? It's no bibia centralized. More one person or in charge. I only friend Otunfo. And it's been ages. It even to me is a history.
So Ninsem no Wakikan, which is Domahini Nsema Wakikan.
Yeah.
What's to what end?
That is the same question that I was also asking myself. Say no person achieve. They say no person achieve no. Me kwaminya hu ade person achieve for now because who say violence momna all creative. Because it may be say he's right, but the way I see kono no man akwa say I say bimu ye din ho ya kakra because I respect that man a lot. Do you know why? MPP government no ewo power no. Okay, this man was criticizing them every day.
Oh,
and
which is a good thing.
Yeah, and Galamsey any other on MPP government. Which make us a hene baako a na ultimate criticize omo pa ene ye doma hene.
Wow,
and I was really happy because na ahemfo bebre ntimi enka or MPP asem, but na or criticize omo and me hu bia no mani agi because who say okay say Okwa Ghana, ye pay institutions are Ghana like a dom follow moi. Unsa ahen for home.
Yes.
So unya ohene kese bi say dom ahen or criticize it there. You see how
it brings the government onto their toes and
have you seen it?
Yeah.
It is that part that now I really like what he was doing. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
But I say it do be back o nipa anake. It to do betimi afum. But no mama from no. Yeah, you try when she no momo no.
Yeah, your best sofa.
Sanity. And the way you see carry message in the corner. And so create some, adibito amount for trimu. Amo say no na waka say omko ba bi mko to abo ne.
Yeah, I saw the video. Meaning omo free baby and omo free no more.
Asanteman ene bono eni entokwa bia. Boni bia ni entem ye nuafo mienu. Asante bono na bono nso asante. Ntimi nuanom amowo bono man mu nyina no. Enne ye pese mote ase se asanteman ni mu ni asem bia. Na emom even na najiman badu ne domafo kra domaman amwo hompo no. Ye ne domafo ni asem. Na emom na najiman badu ono na ye doman hene no. Ono na pese ofa kwan bi so etwa ntro nkontompo edane abakosem ema asante ekoyesa asante ne bono man asem. Ntoko bia ni asanteman ene bono entem ohe regions bi te say Ahafo region, Bono East regional sante hina hemfo ene na brempon ne na man hene bebrebe na wo sa mantem wemu tie de na asante hene ene asanteman asole say omu ne san krofo yo muti kuro yi mu anase mantam wemu no eba bidi akọ enye sa ne tie eye nkrofokuo bi a omu tan nokre omu tan abakosem papa na omu echiritumi sante hene wo ani buo ani ani dia ye de ma no ene hihye nkrofo bi achi a omu ye sa de no nenso sa ne ma omu ye nyina no enkonkonkosi ba bia fi se buroni mpo be ye anye ye enye se bi obi a wo de tan hunu tan unuanom na wo be ya ma ayeye enche bi asanteman ene bono eni entokwa bia boni bia ni entem ye nuafo mienu asante bono na bono nso asante ntimi nuanom amowo bono man mu nyina no enne ye pese mote ase se asanteman ni mu ni asem bia na emom even na najiman badu ne domafo kra domaman amwo hompo no ye ne domafo ni asem na emom na najiman badu ono na ye doman hene no ono na pese ofa kwan bi so etwa ntro nkontompo edane abakosem ema asante ekoyesa asante ne bono man asem ntoko bia ni asanteman ene bono entem ohe regions bi te say Ahafo region, Bono East regional sante hina hemfo ene na brempon ne na man hene bebrebe na wo sa mantem wemu tie de na asante hene ene asanteman asole say omu ne san krofo yo muti kuro yi mu anase mantam wemu no eba bidi akọ enye sa ne tie eye nkrofokuo bi a omu tan nokre omu tan abakosem papa na omu echiritumi sante hene wo ani buo ani ani dia ye de ma no ene hihye nkrofo bi achi a omu ye sa de no nenso sa ne ma omu ye nyina no enkonkonkosi ba bia fi se buroni mpo be ye anye ye enye se bi obi a wo de tan hunu tan unuanom na wo be ya ma ayeye
Medasese wanya botre atwem yes Yenuanu memen ensem a omode tu dwa maka cho se okwa abrochire kra kingdom ba ko pe ene wo ho kingdom ba ko pe eno ane Ashanti Kingdom nko fotu omo ho afra brochi amonone foreigners eba ompa Ashanti Kingdom museum e wa Ashanti memu no moba ebesua it is amuka say there is no king bia wona de sana onimo na wona na na do mahene ne Asante hene any problem bia sana me meka no na emom niema bi ne confusion bi na na esisie wuti yenua be man nsem a oso no pena sampa because ne nkomo bi no ana ye ne de be no nkyerɛ sɛ bia sei eno na omo nyina ebo ekidom de amase ye na Asante hene de ono ne kingdom ba ko pe wotu kwa ko ba bi abeko bia no wona he da bre ne krata wona he da be se na yie wona ye hye da ba nanim ebe srade onye ni paketoa etinani nachi there is no kingdom bia wa Ghana ha apart from Ashanti Kingdom Asante man no enya Asante man ko a Blue region ahafo ye nyina ne kabom ema ne ye Asante Kingdom eti no confusion you know obi any problem Asante ne bono any problem obi any bro na mom misunderstanding na eba na ma bibisi asisisi ensem yenu miensa we ne nuanum ede tu dwa na me de ensem se eba na makaka kraka ho eze bro ne fitampo abetena Ghana ha asua twi kasa a kire se wo fra Asante memu na nte se yenu ma how variable a o take ye Asante hene efa ene how a odo ne efa ne ye mienu nete ha woti ahwina no haya ne ye twefo ani ye di natam wo ye bibia na kasete adentia mama yensua de papa bi emfirimu broni kura no wo kyerɛ no wo kyerɛ na busia panyin ba bia wo firi Asante memu na ti fira Asante memu na ye no ma ye de ye te ahwina no haya yenya tsemdidie no mom yenya tsemdidie no mom yensua de mama yensua de ese yemmo ya bakosam hu dawuro da bia makase any platform that you get whether we are Fantini Asantini Abruni Ahafuni ka wabakosam chenne nkrom hini betimi aye che wabakosam wa mamre afin afashe bebre na ebekoso enche me apomaso festival ebekoso live e wontoto so na twegu ampem yes amahine kachire yewura Asante hene kachire twegu ampem na piao omenso hene na ajetwum asafo aka abrempom kachire na wode hye mekira piao afofo bedi o mafashe apomaso festival atone hene no nyamba batachire kukuom hwidiem goso emem Kenya's number 1 number 2 omunyina kabom eboma na yefe enne hye wodo a ewomu Asante hene ayomom Asante Kingdom ha wa Asante ridge bebre beba e de no nyam sene ye bi Asante maso dia omunyina aba sanete ye nyina kabom ene ye baako otu nsafro hini bi no hini wi abebo ye nyina mwamwa na bus na waton san nyom ye pese mtonton san nyom mukeka histories sane ye mama comfort love mama shout out to you otimba tase ka histories ba bia free no yes na dia sundue aba enu se bi ne ye hwehwe ye mpentiti ye mpen na mbotia social media na timdidie bebre Asante hina atimdidie bebre anu no enye aha dia makacho se ka bakwasam Ghana man chief chances ye info nkomo ne edi ne mo etukoto video no na subscribe no wa share uwe na mama nsa nyina ahwe bi uwe comment section ma kira wadwere abotre ne asundue kwanso aha die Odo me meso do nti nyina yesua de empatim de die ebia wode hye papa branfo nya mabrahima na me ka wo se Asante fest ne da so ekoso wa Asante mem eti brabe sua de brabe hwe wani so ade be hwe mamra ne amane a etwaguo den nya nyina efa komapa ene kabom asabaako enya nije ewo Easter ya yewuram Yesu awu asori enije nko a ne enkoso nko a na ye hwehwe eti esrawo ba bibera won bra na so ebrabe experience ebi ai today's TV so wo de share papa brahmfo nya mabuhima amahima mu ka chire ene opatale papa to de no boy Lydia Unisa boutique wasal wo school junction nyoma ye papa na efe me da meko radio meko engagement o meko ayo party o tinno Lydia Unisa boutique nyoma efe e show so tumi say yes so ya guy wasal wo school junction wa obo bagaya on the right kono ko pebito discount e da so kona bumdi amahima mu ka chire dia obaje wodi afefefefe eya brafo nya mabuhima amaje wakode amtoso miensa enu be hye da bia e wo to the series be da obebre